Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us today. It's an honor to present our study titled The Effectiveness of a Value-Based Gotong Royong Online Collaborative Learning Model in Enhancing Learning Outcomes. I want to introduce myself. I'm Listianingsih, and my team is Oksiana Jatiningsih, Harmanto, Riyanda Usmi, Wahyudi, Budi Santoso, and Siti Maizul Habibah. We're from Universitas Negeri Surabaya. I want to present my research. Okay. The title is The Effectiveness of a Value-Based on Gotong Royong Online Collaborative Learning Model in Enhancing Learning Outcomes. This is the introduction. In the digital learning area, we face the challenge of fostering meaningful student interaction and engagement. This study examined whether embedding cultural values, such as gotong royong, into collaborative learning model can improve learning outcome by making the educational experience more relatable and engaging for students. In digital era, information and communication technology has changed various aspects of life, including in the field of education. One of the significant developments in education is the adoption of online learning model, which offer greater flexibility and accessibility compared to traditional methods. The learning model is an important factor in learning because a learning model is a plan that can help the learning process take place and achieve learning goals, both for education and learner. The learning model is applied in the teaching and learning process by teachers in school, including learning carried out in elementary school. One type of learning model is a collaborative online learning model. Johnson and Johnson explained it. Collaborative learning has great potential in improving learning social and academic skills in a more participatory and structured way. Online collaborative learning is one of the models that has received significant attention in the context of online education. This model allows learning to interact, discuss, and work together in completing tasks or projects even if they are not in the same physical location. The study objective and to analyze this gotong royong online collaborative model impacts. The research background. The study aimed to explain the effectiveness of the collaborative learning online learning based on the value gotong royong in improving learning outcome. In line with the research in Anwar Ansari 1923, we saw that the incorporation of local cultural values in learning strategies can increase learning motivation and engagement. The study is expected to provide new insight in how cultural aspects can affect education process and outcome in the digital era. In this study, it is hoped that I will be found that strategies and effective to implement the collaborative learning model based on mutual cooperation and how it impacts student learning outcome. The study is also expected to help educators make online learning experience more relevant and meaningful. We hope our uh, online collaborative learning leveraging digital platform for collaboration. learning enhancement, interactive discussion, joint problem solving. Research methodology. This methodology with quasi-experimental design, experimental and control group, and participation selection, 72 students randomly assigned, data collection, pre-test and post-test score, data analysis, statistical analysis to compare results. The research. The online collaborative learning model based on the value gotong royong that has been developed shows its effectiveness in improving learning outcome. The only differences in the learning process in the treatment of the online collaborative learning model based on the value gotong royong. So, what causes the difference in the mean of post-test score between the experimental class and the control class in the treatment? From the analysis of the post-test result in the experimental class that used the online collaborative learning model based on gotong royong values and the control class that used the discussion method in online learning, it can be interpreted that the use of the online collaborative learning model based on the value of effective mutual cooperation to improve student learning outcome in the implementation of the Pancasila education course in the State Administration Study Program, State University of Surabaya. From this description, it can be concluded that the online collaborative learning model based on the value gotong royong is effective in improving student learning outcome. This is my research and the discussion gotong royong and online collaborative learning model significant improvement in learning outcome and collaboration skill enhanced through teamwork and interaction and the active participant higher engagement and active learning. Implication, educational impact, effective alternative to traditional method, and collaboration skill development enhancement through value-based approach, and recommendation, integration of gotong royong value is included online program. Conclusion, the summary, value-based gotong royong online collaborative learning model enhance online learning outcome and the future future research, long-term effect, and application in various contexts. We hope our finding will inspire new approach to online collaborative and encourage educators to consider the powerful role of cultural values in shaping educational success. Thank you for your attention and we look forward in your feedback and insight. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.